Are you dreaming of financial freedom? Imagine a life where your passions fuel your income. The side hustle revolution is here, empowering you to turn your unique skills into extra cash. It's more than just a trend. It's a pathway to independence and unlocking your full potential. First, let's uncover your hidden talents. What are you naturally good at? Think about your hobbies, your expertise, and even those things friends always ask you for help with. Your passion can be your greatest asset. Don't underestimate its market value. List them out. You might be surprised by the diverse range of skills you possess. Now, let's brainstorm. The world of side hustles is incredibly vast and diverse. Consider freelancing in writing, graphic design, or web development. Demand is high. Perhaps teaching a language, tutoring, or offering online courses is your calling. Or maybe it's crafting handmade goods, photography, or even social media management. Even pet sitting, personal training, or virtual assistance can generate significant income. The key is matching your unique skills with a market need. Research is crucial here. Ready to start? Planning is your first step. Define your niche and target audience. Conduct thorough market research to understand demand and competition. Set clear, achievable goals. What do you want to accomplish with your side hustle? Time management is vital. Integrate your side hustle seamlessly into your existing schedule. Consistency is key. Dedicate regular time, even if it's just a few hours a week. Challenges will arise, but don't let them deter you. Every entrepreneur faces hurdles. Learn from setbacks, adapt your strategies, and seek advice from mentors or communities. Persistence is your superpower. Keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Once established, think about scaling. How can you grow your side hustle? Automate repetitive tasks, outsource non-core activities, or expand your service offerings. Building a strong online presence and networking can also accelerate your growth. The side hustle revolution offers incredible opportunities for financial independence. By identifying your skills, planning carefully, and staying persistent, you can achieve your goals. Don't wait. Start exploring your potential.